All new working codes in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. In today's video, I'll be showing you every single new working code so you can actually redeem and get yourself started in Bubbler Game Tycoon. Anyways, make sure you like the video and subscribe. I'll be going over and redeeming every single one of these new codes. Don't miss out on any of these codes because otherwise you will not get every single reward that I've shown you so far. Let's actually redeem the first code. Back. We're back. Back. Okay, we got a back code. Back. Throwback. Throwback. That is the first code, guys. First code is throwback, so make sure you guys redeem throwback. Make sure you guys redeem it, and we got infinity elixir. We just obtain ourselves infinity elixir. I don't know if it's any good, but we got infinity elixir. That one looks good though. That looks pretty good. Alright guys, if you do want yourself a digital storage game pass, you can get a digital storage game pass right now if you comment down below Bubbler. Comment down below Bubbler. Anyways, the next code is going to be Ether 2025. Easter. It's actually Easter code. So make sure you guys redeem Easter code. Like the video and subscribe as well. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We got a mystery box. Mystery box. Hold on. Open all. Okay, please. Mythic. Reroll. Okay, so we did get some mythic potions. That is not too bad. The next code is going to be release. Oh, it's release. Yeah, it's the release code. Guys, like the video, subscribe. We got the release code as well. Don't forget to redeem this one for a free mystery gift. And we got the next code, lucky you code. So make sure you guys redeem lucky code. This is the lucky code. Okay, redeem lucky code right here, right now. Redeem lucky code for lucky drops, insane lucky drops. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe guys, like this video, subscribe.